Hi there, it's Jenny here from Our Humble Home, and in today's video I'm just going to do a quick one about transferring images that you print out just on normal copy paper that you can transfer onto wood or anything, even glass for crafts, furniture upcycles even if you want to put them on furniture. So the first one I'm doing is a beautiful rose design that I just got off the internet. I printed it out at Officeworks, it was actually a laser printer, so you probably work with inkjet as well, I'm not sure, I haven't tried that. Printed it out, cut it out, I applied matte medium, so I got mine from Kmart, but you can buy them in craft stores. I placed that on the actual piece, on the actual coaster, and placed the image face down. I let it dry for 5 minutes, and then I just wet it and I rubbed lightly to reveal the image. After that, I let it dry and I sanded the edges back just to neat them up, and I sanded the whole piece and I applied a top coat, and that will actually deepen the color and protect it as well. And they're a great little idea, I think, for if you have a special image that you want to transfer onto something, because you can actually use photos, something like that. And then I thought I would try it out on a piece of furniture. I did this one recently and I was really pleased with it. So I printed again, it was 49 cents I think from Officeworks. This image, I put it on my piece of furniture. I applied the matte medium to the furniture and I put the picture on. I did let this one dry about 20 minutes, although I did put a whole heap of medium on, so it was a lot more gluggy. And then I got a fine sanding block just to remove the paper that was around the edges. And again, I applied wax to deepen the color and just to reinforce the image and to protect it. It looked beautiful after I'd finished. Like I said, just a short video today. I hope this gives you some ideas of some things maybe you could use for your crafts, furniture makeovers, or even a Mother's Day gift. See you all next week.